Hello everyone, welcome to 1 Minute MBA. In this video, I'm going to show you how the marketing mix is applied in business. 4 Ps of the marketing mix are the key to understanding how companies use marketing. But what are they? What do they mean? And how does the marketing mix work together to affect business success? A marketing mix includes multiple areas of focus as part of a comprehensive marketing plan. The term often refers to a common classification that began as the 4 Ps: product, price, placement, and promotion. Focusing on a marketing mix helps organizations make strategic decisions when launching new products or revising existing products. Jerome McCarthy, who had propounded 4 Ps: product, price, placement, and promotion. Consumer-centric marketing mixes incorporate a focus on customers into their approaches. Product. This represents an item or service designed to satisfy customer needs and wants. It's also important to determine if other products or services can be marketed in conjunction with it. Price. The sale price of the product reflects what consumers are willing to pay for it. Marketing professionals need to consider costs related to research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and distribution, otherwise known as cost-based pricing. Placement. The type of product sold is important to consider when determining areas of distribution. Basic consumer products, such as paper goods, often are readily available in many stores. Premium consumer products, however, typically are available only in select stores. Another consideration is whether to place a product in a physical store, online, or both. Promotion. Joint marketing campaigns also are called a promotional mix. Activities might include advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and public relations. A key consideration should be for the budget assigned to the marketing mix. Value-based pricing plays a key role in products that are considered to be status symbols. Special considerations. 3 additional Ps tied to this type of marketing mix might include people, process, and physical evidence. People refer to employees who represent a company as they interact with clients or customers. Process represents the method or flow of providing service to the clients and often incorporates monitoring service performance for customer satisfaction. Physical evidence relates to an area or space where company representatives and customers interact. Additionally, marketers often study consumers who frequently will influence strategies related to service or products. Traditionally, marketing commences with identifying consumers' needs and ceases with the delivery and promotion of a final product or service.